How to find low competition product ideas with secret Amazon FBA product research method. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can find low competition products that have a high search volume using Helium 10, and by applying this strategy, you're going to be able to enter a market that is not already saturated and where you have high chances of selling out and becoming a top seller. Now, for this, you don't need any fancy tools. All you need is the Helium 10 free version. You can use the free version of Helium 10 to apply these techniques, and if you have the Helium 10 Chrome extension, that is going to help you out a lot as well. Now, over here, I have opened up my Helium 10 dashboard, and I am just going to go into Tools, and then I'm going to move into Black Box. Now, for today's video, we're going to search for keywords that are going to lead us to find specific products. And this is a different approach to finding products. Instead of just searching for products directly, we're going to go into Keywords. And you're going to set up a filter for keywords that will lead you to your product. Now, over here, I have set up all of my little details. Now, I'm going to start setting up my details. Now, for your low competition yet high volume search, you're going to set your search volume for a minimum of 1,000 and a maximum of 10,000. So this will give you a result that is actually increasing in the search volume. You don't want to go for a product that is decreasing in popularity. You want to sell something that is actually going to increase in popularity so you can sell more with time. And then you're going to set a monthly revenue. So a decent amount to start with is around 5,000 to 7,000 or 10,000. Make sure you do realize that revenue does not equal profit. So this is the total amount of money, and then cutting all the shipping costs, FBA costs, and all of that, you're going to earn maybe 40% of the revenue is basically profit. After that, you're going to look for the specific price of your product. Obviously, if you're starting out your business, you don't want anything that is too expensive or that is going to be too difficult to ship to you. Now, for that, I like to set the pricing between $10 to $50, and I don't like going below 10 because when you're going below 10 in your price range, you're going to enter a market of very small and tiny products, which will be very difficult to gain larger profits from, because for a tiny notebook, you're not going to be able to have a profit of 5% or 10% on a notebook, but you could probably have a 10% profit on a item that was slightly larger. So make sure that your price point does not go too low, because you're also going to have to account for your FBA costs in your monthly revenue. So you have to keep that into consideration. Now you can add a review count. So I like to keep this empty. I really don't care about review counts, but I do like to add a maximum review rating sometimes, because that really helps me in creating a listing that is more unique and that is more perfect than the previous listing. So usually I like to add review ratings, but for this keyword research, I'm going to skip this as well. Now, you're not just going to skip the advanced filters, you're going to open this up. And after you open this up, you're going to click on the shipping size tier. So you don't want a product that is going to be very expensive to ship, anything that is going to be too difficult for even you to get your hands on. You don't want anything like that. You want something that is going to fit in a box, that is not going to cost you hefty fees to ship from China first, and then you're going to ship on Amazon, and all of those fees can add up. So you're going to select small standard size, large standard size, small oversize, and that is about it. You can also select medium oversized if you want. Now, after that, you can set your amount of competing products. So over here, we're going to set the limit to 8,000. And now we're going to click on search. And now you can see some of these seasonal items are showing up. If you want, you can exclude these keywords like Halloween. So depending on the month that you are doing your research in, currently it is October, Halloween is around the corner, so people are searching for a lot of Halloween stuff. So you want to make sure to exclude those, because these kinds of things are only going to garner you profits in the short run, and you're not going to be able to build a stable business model around a product that is only temporary. So I'm going to exclude Halloween, and I'm going to search again with the same filters in place. So make sure that you do realize this is not the total market search for this product. This is just the search volume for this keyword. And within this keyword, obviously there are alternate keywords which probably might be searched even more. So that is something to keep into consideration. Now, you can see over here, you get the search volume. You want to make sure that the search volume is increasing. You want to make sure that there is decent monthly revenue, and you want to check the competing products from over here. Now, for the first item, we have this clean athlete, and I wouldn't recommend going for directly cleaning products because there can be some hazards in cleaning, chemicals and all that, so you might want to stay away from those as well. So you can see Melissa and Doug puffy sticker. Now this is a very good product that you can opt for. So you can see that there are only 312 competing products. It has good reviews. It has an increasing search volume, and the price is pretty decent as well. The monthly sales are also very decent, and 585. So if you divide those by 30, let's see how many units they are selling per day. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna whip out my calculator and divide that by 30. And these people are selling around 20 units per day. So that is a very, very good amount of sale. And once you actually get a good keyword, you're just going to copy this keyword and search it on Amazon over here. And you can see these are the types of products this is, and you can see there are very few results. So there are a total of 117 results, and you can see the competitors that they showed were around 312. Obviously, with slightly different keywords, you're going to get more competitors, but within the entire market, there isn't that much competition. If there are less than like 1,000 results, there isn't a lot of competition. And once you really find something that you like, just open it up and click on your Helium 10 extension on your Chrome bar, and then just click on X-ray. And what this is going to do is it's going to provide you with great detail. So you can see a lot of detail within the X-ray tool, and that's why I find it so useful to have on Chrome, because I can see these sales, I can see the sales graph as well. I can see the revenue that they are generating, and the BSR, FBA fees, active sellers. So you can see there are only 2 active sellers for this specific item. Also, the review count is increasing. Everything for this product seems perfect. So I think I just found my next product doing this video. Now, if we were to look for more products, you can see over here our adventure book. This keyword also has a good general rating. They have less competing products, they have a good search volume which is increasing, and they have good monthly revenues as well. They're also selling over 20 units per day, and that is something you want to aim for as well. You want to make sure that you're selling around 10 units a day. That's your main goal, because if you're selling less than that, then your sales, they're going to fluctuate a lot, and if you don't have a set standard to meet, you might not realize, even when you're going into a loss, you might not realize it, and it might take you time to actually start off and restart your marketing or your branding for your product or your listings. Now you can see Jellycat Lion. This also seems like a pretty decent one, but it has less competing products and the search volume is less as well. So you want to make sure that the search volume is high, and just keep on looking. This is a very good listing or keyword as well. We're just going to copy the keyword. We're going to go back onto Amazon and we're going to search this as well. And you can see that it has less than 1,000 competing products, and yet the search volume is increasing and is at 7,227. So the search volume is very high for this, and there might be more listings now. There might be slightly over 1,000 listings for this, but still it's a very lucrative market to join. Now you can see there are they're just like under 1,000 results for it, but still this is a very good market to join as well. So this is how you find a high demand yet low competition product for Amazon FBA, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.